project management by PERT and CPM. What is the full form of PERT? Project Evaluation and Review Technique. CPM Critical Path Method. The PERT full form, Project Evaluation and Review Technique, CPM Critical Path Method. Now, what is the use of these two techniques are to evaluate the project? Why they will use to evaluate the project? So, what is mean by project? Generally, so many times we call it as a project. No, what is the meaning by the project? It is a combination of interrelated activities which must be executed in certain order before completing it. It may be your academic project, or if you are working somewhere, your working project, anything. It's called combination of interrelated activities which must be executed in certain order. Suppose manufacturing a component is your project. It can be divided into some activities like design, fabrication or manufacturing, assembly, testing, results. So all are interrelated. No, once the design is completed, then only you can go for manufacturing. Once the manufacturing is completed, then only you can go for assembly. Suppose you completed design without completing the manufacturing, you cannot go for assembly. No? So they are all interrelated and they must be completed in certain order. So before completing the project. So that is called as a project. Now we said project is a combination of interrelated activities. Next, what is meant by activity? Anything, any task or any work is called as an activity. So simply we can say activity means a task which consumes some resource or time to complete it. What is meant by activity? Activity is a task which require or which consumes some resource or time to complete it. Generally we show with arrow like this. I name this activity as A, or you can write design, manufacturing, anything, and the time or resource required is 8 days. We can take it as an example. So what is the activity? Activity is a task which consumes or which requires some resource to complete it. You can say resource or time. Suppose for example, if you take this, the activity A is there which require 8 days to complete it. Next, this is about activity. Next one is dummy activity. Later we will discuss when we can use this dummy activity. Here just we are knowing about dummy activity. Is an activity which does not consume any resource or time to complete it. What is dummy activity? Is an activity which does not consume or requires any resource or time. So how will show the dummy activity? With the dashed lines. We can name it as dummy. And the resource or time required is 0. So what is the use of dummy activities? To satisfy the activity relations or sometimes to complete the project, we will use these dummy activities. Clear? Project is a combination of interrelated activities which must be executed in certain order. Activity means the task, nothing but some work. Activity is a task which consumes some resource or time to complete it. Dummy means an activity which does not consume or which does not require any resource or time to complete it. Like dummy will show with the dashed lines, the resource or time required is 0.